Hey guys, so I'm inside Fendi. I think I did another intro while I was there. I already went in. They're so unbelievably nice in there. So I'm going to be doing a full Fendi vlog. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I do videos like this every single week. You can follow me on my Instagram. It's just DV Double Vanilla. And now I'm going to take you inside Fendi. Hi guys, so I am inside Fendi and I'm so excited because super nice girl, she's gonna bring me the Fendi first bag. I haven't tried it on yet, but I did show you it when it first came out. I did a whole Fendi vlog. If you haven't seen that, I will link it up above. But I'm so excited to try that on. Thank you so much.
No worries. This is the small black and I'll bring down the medium black.
Beautiful, thank you so much. I'm just gonna set it down over here to open it. So over here is the small one, and look at that very cute little opening. I love that. Let's see how we open it. Is it hard? I can't do it with one hand. Oh, there we go. It's a little button. That is so cool. I didn't know that. It's a little button. I love the interior with the Fendi logo. So this is the small version. Now, I prefer the bigger one because I like that thicker, chunkier strap. But this is so nice. Wow. Let's hook that on. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, or I might have to put you guys down for a second. Okay, so the cool thing is that these things, the girl was showing me, they flip out, so you can put them in. I'm not gonna do it now, but there you go. You can go in or out when you wanna wear it with the strap. And then as you guys can see, there's the difference. I'm really excited. I'm gonna start with this little baby one. And so pretty. Oh, and it's adjustable too. And you know what, before I show, I'm gonna quickly adjust it to make it a little bit longer. So I'm actually starting with the bigger one because the really nice girl, she's gonna adjust it for me. So this one isn't adjustable, it's just one length. I think it might be easier if I take off my Chanel bag so we can see it a little bit better. So let me do that. Okay, so something the girl mentioned about this one is that you can always add a strap onto it, which is so great. So even though this is more of, you know, a shoulder bag, it's kind of hard because I'm wearing all black, but yeah, that's so smart. So you can definitely still do this crossbody, and sorry about the camera, but yeah, this is beautiful. I really think it's gorgeous in the caramel color, which they're sold out of right now. But there you can see for size reference. Yeah, this is the size. That's beautiful. And then we've got this little guy. Thank you so much for adjusting it. Now this one is meant for crossbody. I like where it hangs. Now keep in mind, I'm wearing this chunky coat, so it might look a little bit different on you depending on, you know. So pretty. I really like this one too, but I definitely prefer the medium one. It's gorgeous. Yeah, I really, really, really love the Fendi first bag. No wonder it's just become so popular. Definitely a pretty bag. I'm really excited. This is like nicer than I thought it was.
Yeah, a lot better in person.
Yeah, and you know what? Like hands down, this is such a winner. Like it's this one over that one.
Got more of a presence to it.
I know you've come with a few different brown tones. There's like a darker one, and there was the caramel one. Yeah.
There's like a blush kind of color.
Oh,
That's like the most kind of hard to get piece. Yeah, so it's like a dark brown, a caramel, the blush kind of color, and then a beige, black. And then we get into exotics, like the shearlings, the ostrich.
I think I remember seeing a shearling one too.
The python.
Yeah, really beautiful. All right, guys, so we tried on those bags. The people here are just too nice. Nicest girl ever. So, their ready to wear is just incredible. Their furs. I love this belt. As you can see, it's a beautiful suede. Absolutely love it. I always love the Fendi ready to wear. This cardigan is so pretty. And I love this coat over here. Really, really gorgeous. I've got some Fendi peekaboos. This is in lizard. I love the ombre effect. The color is really pretty. Little tote over here. I love this coat. Lots of cropped coats. I still love a long coat. Definitely my favorites are always long coats. I really like how they style. Now this is built-in scarf, but a lot of people have been styling scarves like this, and I love it. So they put the scarf like this and they do a belt around the waist. It looks so chic, but this piece from Fendi is just, you know, built in like that, which I think is really neat. Now check out these boots. Stunning. They come in lots of different colors. They're beautiful. I have to show you this Fendi over here with the studs. I love that. And then this one over here with the ostrich. Gorgeous. And then this little baguette, which I love so much. This is so cuddly and warm, and this one is very aesthetic. I really like this one a lot. And then check out this little bomber over here. Absolutely adore this one. Classic Fendi. Beautiful. This is in their Cellier versions with the stitching on the outside, which I really like for the peekaboos. It's a gorgeous coat. And then they still have a few things left from the collaboration with Skims, which I know is very popular. This is really nice, really understated. I just love this green khaki color. Ooh, and the swimsuit. You see, this would be so fun. This little swimsuit over here. And then let me show you some of these beautiful bright colors. So again, this is the peekaboo. It's very beautiful, bright yellow, really beautiful. I really do need more describing words other than cute and beautiful. I just get nervous sometimes, often when I'm videoing and I don't know what else to say. So I'm sorry about that. So pretty. Yeah, I really like these fun bright colors. Gorgeous baguette. And then here is the small Fendi First. Now, it's such a cute bag. Let me know what size you prefer, this small one or the bigger one with the thicker strap. Like for me, it's hands down the medium size with the thicker strap. I just love that size. Here they have the different twillies, which I really like. This one's so much fun. Really like that. This one over here, this suede bag, this little mini peekaboo. Thicker straps, but that is also really smart. So if you do get that medium size one, you can get an extra strap. It could be from any brand. And then look over here at all of these creams and blues. And look at this one over here. This one is so, I haven't seen this before in this shape. Very interesting. And then check out these shoes, which are absolutely really cool. Fendi. Ooh, and look at that little logo. These are so pretty. I love the cream tones. I love this one.
I want to collect. I need a black bag because this shoe. So
Fendi over here. We have some scarves, baguette bags, for shearling. This little one over here. There's some Fendi jewelry over here, which is so pretty. Really gorgeous. I really like the Fendi jewelry. It's really pretty. And then I must show you again these shoes in black version. They're just so pretty and architectural, and I really like them. The only thing I don't love about them is that they're a round toe, and I love a pointy toe. I think pointy is so chic. So that's my only thing I don't like, that they've got that round toe. And then I love this color over here. It's beautiful. It's got the blush interior. Little python bag. And then, see, these are okay, right? Because they've got the peep toe. But yeah, they are such a neat shoe. They really are so neat. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna end it here, guys. I'm just gonna go to the mirror so I can talk to you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram. It's just DV Double Vanilla. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.